Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video you will find some links. It says swing like a pro. So click on this link and come to this page here where you can see all these setups and the videos. So we have taken these trades in the recent past and you can see the pips and everything, and here are the screenshots. So go and check out this page and join this program if you want the swing setups. And then we have a link here says book consultation, check brokers. You can join the brokers, and if you want to talk to me you can book consultation. And this link is join my free telegram. Go and join it absolutely for free. Get into my telegram. Coming back to the chart here, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are above the EMA in Delhi. We are above the EMA here, and 4 hour is just at the EMA. Okay, so ton. This is the start of a new uptrend. Look for longs after each pullback. Okay, so look for longs in Euro USD after the pullback in 4 hour. All right, that's what I have to say. If you want precise entry, exit, and TP, then join this program, swing like a pro, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.